Hi guys, I just took my string of buttons from one of the shelves here that was under light to clean it up because it's been struggling with mealybugs, attacks from mealybugs, and it's very leggy, so it needs some grooming. And I was thinking, considering that some of these branches are really long, here you can see, even if it was in a hanging basket, some of them are sticking out. So I was thinking to cut them and also to perform an experiment of rooting string of buttons only in water. Normally, when I was propagating a string of buttons type of crassulas or similar to string of buttons, I was cutting small cuttings, and I think I explained in some of the past videos that maybe have one pair of leaves or two pairs of leaves, but not more than that. And I was explaining that these wooden areas are harder to root compared to these soft green areas. But this time I'm going to be cutting some bigger branches that have wooden areas, and I'm going to see if they're going to root when they're placed directly in water. So this is my little bowl. So I'm going to just cut some right now, and we're going to check it out in a week or so how it is doing. See, they're like all curling, so it's going to be hard to keep them in the water. Let's see, like this, and then remove leaves like from the bottom like this. I remove 3 pairs of leaves. Okay, let's see. Here is some mealybugs. I'm just putting some alcohol, Q-tips. I've been avoiding to spray completely soaked plant because I know it doesn't feel good for the leaves to lose their whatever protective film, and so I've been trying to manually remove when I see them with a Q-tip. Oh, here's another one. All right. Yeah, I'll try this one as well. This. And this here, there is some really leggy parts. To remove all the leaves. So here is a result of my two and a half week experiment. So I'm gonna pull these cuttings out to see how they look like and show you. Okay, I have some that fell in the water. All right, so here it is, guys. I hope you can see they got the roots. Let's check next one. There is actually roots on 2 places. There is here at the bottom and then here as well. Then this one has roots as well. Okay, so some of them are just starting to get roots. This one has a little one here and a little one here. This one has only one little one. This one has some that are long. I hope you can see them. I think this is the only one that hasn't rooted yet. Okay, and this one. So these 2 guys haven't rooted yet. Everybody else has. So this definitely works. So guys, like I said in the beginning, normally when I propagate string of buttons and some similar crassulas with stacked up formation of leaves, I will take only a length of maybe 3 stacked up leaves or even 2, and I would look for a stem to be fresh and green and soft so they can easily root. So here's one of my propagation trays with Crassula string of buttons. But in this case, I have done just the opposite. I have used long stems, and I have used stems that on the bottom have that old age wooden stem. And I wanted to see if they're gonna root in water, because I know it would be very difficult to root them in the soil when they're older. And they did in about 2 week period. I used rainwater, or in my case it was melted snow water that is slightly more acidic, and succulents prefer it. So this is definitely another propagation method that you can use for your string of buttons. Hope this video was helpful to you, and hope you're gonna try it, and I will see you in the next video.